Okay, let's start up the Panhead today. This is a 57 magneto ignition, no key, no battery, bare bones electrics. It's got a generator. Light will come on once it starts running. Pretty much like a dirt bike. So this ignition, you have to manually adjust it. So we're gonna retard it just a little bit so we can start it up. No choke, super E. Turn the gas on, and we'll do the reserve. It's a little low. Like my fuel gauge. It's kind of cool. This is an old gas tank I picked up. Basically, it's painted like a B-52 bomber. Don't know who did it. Don't know why they did it. It's pretty old. It's an old sporty tank, but I like it. It's sweet. All right, let's see how many kicks this thing takes. See the headlights dim? So it has to be running to make voltage. Kill switch.